Hello everyone, welcome to this video. You can call me Navy, and this is my official start on my journey to becoming a game streamer on YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. Where do I even start from? I've always wanted to start YouTube since 2022, and I created my first channel in 2023. At first, I posted some gameplay for my favorite game, OPBRL, but I realized I wasn't really enjoying it and I couldn't stay consistent. I searched for content to get started with gameplays, game tutorials, reactions, but nothing really sat right with me, and I didn't have a PC then, so everything was basically going to be done on my phone. And me being a procrastinator, I'll do it today, I'll do it tomorrow, next tomorrow for sure. Later on, I got a PC to learn 2D drafting with AutoCAD and also started learning Blender for architectural work. It took me about 6 to 7 months just to understand 40% of both programs. And of course, I'm still learning. Recently, I decided to focus on 3D modeling and animation. After months of watching tutorials, practicing modeling and sculpting, and getting frustrated many times, I realized something. I won't reach my goal before GTA 6 comes out because I want to stream GTA 6 on its release day. So I thought, why not share the journey instead? So this channel is going to be about learning, improving, making mistakes, and getting better at modeling and animation step by step. Hopefully I get to build my community before GTA 6 comes out, and if I don't, I hope the experience will still be nice. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll be here with me when I reach my goals, or at least midway. God bless.